Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Move. Today we are with Jah Bouks. Yes, with Angola. That series I named Do You Remember? This is a fresh series we are start now. Do you remember? You remember when them song you drop? Where were you when that song you drop? Comment section, get active. What did you first think of the song? And is it still on your playlist? Make we jump in that one. That one named Do You Remember? Jah Bouks, Angola. Make we go. Let we go. Ready? We bring back reggae on this too.
Yes,
we bring back reggae.
All them black people that belong to Africa. So we will keep the giddy and the hot.
Aile!
Hey,
Oh. We bring back reggae on this motherfucker. Come on.
Angola,
Hey!
Angola, up on my African Angola, Angola.
Who do want yet again? If we don't really want yet again, say boom bang.
Reggae we bring back.
Yes,
Motherfucker.
Rasta.
Single-handedly.
All them black people that belong to Africa.
Watching me. Oh no, watch
So
me.
we will keep the giddy and the
Reggae
hot.
we bring back over this. Remember? Ready?
Hey, oh.
Good music. Reggae music. Big people time. Ready?
Hey,
Angola.
Angola, up on my African Angola, Angola,
I me say,
Angola,
Ofikal.
Angola, up Shamalang, Angola,
Angola.
Me
Me
gon'
gon'
be
be fire.
fired from Babylon,
Not
not
take
take
no-
no chat from Babylon. Cause a you corrupt, you get a youth, we do no wicked act, do no Babylon. When me walk, I chop. Yes, Rasta.
We bring back reggae. Do you remember? Where did they when that song get dropped? Where the first thing about the song when they first hear it? Jah Bouks, talk to them.
Yeah.
Listen me, young artists, only need to sing good song. Good song never dies. Ready? Angola.
Angola, up on my African Angola.
Good song can't dead.
Angola,
I me say,
Angola, Angola.
level me. Only stop singing little 3 months song and 2 months song. Sing song that can last forever. Watch out, Jah Bouks.
Me burn the fire from Babylon.
Me nah
Not
take
take no
no-
chat from Babylon.
Hey,
Cause a you corrupt, you get a youth, we do no wicked act, do no Babylon. When me walk, I trample down Babylon. Talk and ride down Babylon. Who know always they are with your clans and plans, won't come trapping the man.
What am I do?
Nothing who no can come take Mama Africa from me again.
No.
No, who no can come take Mama.
Who do want yet again?
oh, Buckland. When song bad,
Yes,
song
Rasta.
bad. When song big. Somebody send this to Jah Bouks.
So we are
Tell them me if you link up. We need an update on him career. Where am I going? Jah Bouks.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey. Angola.
Jah Bouks.
Angola, up on my African Angola, Angola.
Level. Do you remember? We are bring back reggae in this bumbo cloth here. Cause some boy go and say reggae and no big song. Reggae and no big song in night. You know mad? Listen big tune. Jah Bouks, talk to them.
Me burn the fire from Babylon, not take no chat from Babylon. Cause a you corrupt, you get a youth, we do no wicked act, do no
Trample
Babylon.
them.
When me walk, I trample down Babylon. Talk and ride down Babylon. Who know always they are with your clans and plans.
What them think them a go bumbo clad? What them think them a go do?
Who no
Mama Africa, from we again.
No one no can come take Mama Africa from we again. Who no think who no can come take Mama Africa.
Give me this,
from
give me this,
we
give me this, give me this.
again. No one no can come take Mama Africa from we again.
Reggae music, what one?
True religion, you bomb down a Lebanon.
What them gonna do?
Pick yourself and a blame Afghanistan.
What them do?
We do no tricks and cons, implement a plan. Then you go dig down Saddam, we see you a draw
Nearer and nearer.
but the isle mama got now go share. Oh, me nah get scared. We defend the square. Papa Shasha Malongale.
Who no think
can take Mama Africa from we again.
Jah
Who no
Bouks.
think who no can come take Mama Africa
From we again.
No, who no can come take.
Do you remember this?
From we again.
Where did they when that song get drop?
Who no can come take Mama Africa from we again.
Classic.
Them no like when we are dinner the hills. Them want we stay here fi pay them bills. When you think say you are saved little cabbage. Them alone account off the mills. It's an authentic
Reggae beat. Make you
can cap the shoes off
on your feet.
I get 3 Peter touch, 2 Bob Marley, and the
What
little
am I
girl
doing?
sound sweet. You no can come take Mama Africa from we again. Who no think who no can come take Mama Africa from we again. No who no can come take Mama Africa from we again. Who no think who no can come take Mama Africa from we again. So the bingy man a call Angola, Mama African
Hola.
call Angola,
Why?
call Angola, call Angola, Pasha Shamalang, Angola, call Angola. Me burn the fire from Babylon, now take the chance from Babylon. As I look corrupt, we get the youths, we do no wicked up, we no Babylon. When me walk, I trample down Babylon.
Talk and rock down Babylon.
Who know always they are with your clans and plans. One come trap bingy man.
Who no think who no can come?
Take Mama Africa.
Yes,
from
Rasta.
me again. Aile Selassie, you know.
Yes, Rasta.
Devices unto the order of operation.
Wanna say. Do you remember? Yeah, man, we start a new series over here, so remember, so we always have come up with a new thing, them, you know. Someone in the comment section get active and tell me which part where were you when you first heard that song, yeah? Where did that do? Where did they? Where did you think of the song? When the song just dropped? Tell me what you think. Jah Bouks, make up yourself. King in the earth. You hear that? King in the earth, man. One Angola boss. You know? Yeah, man. It would be nice to have a conversation with Jah Bouks as well and get an update on his career. I know I'm still a drop song still, but nothing big like this in a Jamaica. You see me? So yeah, big up yourself, Jah Bouks, and big up your manager. I think your manager was your mother at the time. So big up yourself. Alright, so here we go on. I'll leave the one right just so and let the comment section get active and tell me which one them did there. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!
Jamaica's worst gamer.